Hi everyone, my name is Madison and I am a program educator at Cornell Cooperative Extension of St. Lawrence County. Today we're going to be talking about what sunlight does for a plant and the importance of turning your houseplants periodically. Plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a chemical process that takes in carbon dioxide and water and turns it into oxygen and glucose, or sugar. The plant releases the oxygen into the atmosphere and then uses the sugar to carry out its daily activities. Much like how we use the nutrients from our food to carry out our daily activities. Plants are really important for the ecosystem because they bring in carbon dioxide and convert it to oxygen that we can all breathe. Photosynthesis would not be possible without the energy from the sun. That is why sunlight is so important to a plant. Fill a measuring cup with 300 milliliters of water. Then use a measuring spoon to scoop out 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the baking soda into the water to create your bicarbonate solution. When the baking soda dissolves in the water, it releases carbon dioxide. This will be used by the spinach for photosynthesis. Pour this solution into any cup and set aside. Fill a clean measuring cup with 200 milliliters of water and add a drop of liquid dishwashing detergent. This will create a detergent solution. Pour half of your bicarbonate solution into a clear cup. Place a drop of the detergent solution into the bicarbonate solution. Make sure there are no suds. If you see bubbles, continue adding small amounts of the bicarbonate solution to the cup until the bubbles are gone. Using the hole punch, create 10 to 20 discs from the spinach leaves. Only punch holes in smooth, flat areas and do your best to avoid large veins or the edges of the leaf. Remove the plunger from the syringe and add the discs of spinach into the syringe. Put the plunger back into the syringe and slowly depress it to expel as much air as you can without crushing the leaves. Dip the tip of the syringe into the bicarbonate/detergent mixture and pull in about 3 milliliters of liquid. Gently tap the syringe to suspend the leaves in the solution. Next, place your finger over the end of the syringe and pull back on the plunger to create a vacuum. While keeping your finger over the tip to maintain the vacuum, swirl the leaf discs in the syringe. After 10 seconds, remove your finger to release the vacuum. Repeat the last 2 steps to make sure the leaves take up the carbon dioxide. You should observe the discs sinking to the bottom of the syringe. If this does not happen, you may need to start over, using fresh discs and new solution that has more baking soda. Pour the discs into the cup with the bicarbonate/detergent mixture and watch them sink to the bottom. Make sure they don't stick to the sides of the cup. Expose the cup to natural sunlight or artificial light source for several minutes. Observe and write down what happens as the spinach discs perform photosynthesis and give off oxygen. Plants automatically grow toward light. For plants that are outside, they have a constant, even supply of sunlight. But plants that are inside have limited access to light, and it's usually coming from one source. Fluorescent lights and windows don't move. So as your plant is growing, it will grow unevenly toward the light source. Turning your houseplant signals to the plant that they are getting light from different places. Therefore, turning your houseplant will allow your plant to grow evenly, which is aesthetically pleasing, but also very good for the plant. This is one of my plants. When I first got this plant, it was sitting on a desk in my office. The light source was in one direction and it wasn't very good. So now my plant has grown like this. As you can see, the window was in this direction, therefore my plant grew toward the window. Now, in its new home in my house, I turned it so that this side is facing the window, in hopes that this side will grow out evenly to match this side. You should turn your plant at least twice a month. If you look at your My Plant journal provided in the first lesson, there's a section there where you can put in the 2 dates of that month that you turned your plant. Thank you for experimenting with photosynthesis with me today. I hope you enjoyed it and had fun. If you'd like to email me a picture of your plants or a picture of you doing your experiment, you can email me at mpo34@cornell.edu. Bye!